Imagine unlocking your brain's hidden power. Sharper focus, more energy, better memory. This isn't science fiction, it's biohacking. Today, we dive into the practical, science-backed ways to optimize your mind through nutrition, sleep, and habits. Ready for your ultimate brain upgrade? First up, nutrition. Your brain runs on what you eat. Think superfoods for your supercomputer. Berries for memory, nuts for brain health, leafy greens for focus. Limit sugar, processed junk. Prioritize omega-3s. What you feed your body directly fuels your mind. It's not just food, it's brain fuel. Next, sleep. It's not lazy, it's crucial. While you rest, your brain cleans house. It consolidates memories, clears toxins, recharges circuits. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Create a routine. Dark room, cool temperature, no screens before bed. Quality sleep equals peak mental performance. Don't skip your brain's best upgrade. Finally, habits. Small, consistent actions reshape your brain. Meditation calms, boosts focus. Exercise increases blood flow, brain growth. Learning new skills builds new pathways. Break bad habits, build good ones. Consistency is key. You're literally reprogramming your brain for optimal performance. Start small, be consistent. Beyond basics, some explore advanced biohacks, supplements, neurofeedback. But always proceed with caution. Research thoroughly. Consult pros. What works for one may not for another. Your brain is unique. Listen to it. The fundamentals, nutrition, sleep, habits, are your most powerful tools. Master those first. Your brain isn't static. It's a dynamic supercomputer waiting for its upgrade. By strategically fueling your body, prioritizing rest, and building powerful habits, you can unlock incredible focus, energy, and mental clarity. It's your mind's ultimate potential. Ready to biohack your way to peak performance? Let your mind blooms.